Have you ever wondered why, even with regular exercise, your legs seem to lose strength as you age? The truth, often overlooked, is that the problem could be directly related to your diet. What if I told you that with just 4 simple but powerful foods, you could regain energy in your legs and stay active for many years to come? If you're curious, let's discover together how these foods can help you preserve your independence over the years. Remember to subscribe to the channel before you start, so you don't miss any valuable advice. Our legs are fundamental to our health and mobility. Essential nutrients. Your legs will inevitably. To make sure your workouts pay off. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are extremely nutritious generation and maintaining strength, and are common among the elderly. In many ways, raw or toasted. The second food on our list, essential in the formation of red blood cells, responsible. No matter how intensely you train, if your body lacks essential nutrients, your legs will inevitably lose strength. Fortunately, there is no need to worry. Today we will share with you 4 superfoods that are essential for providing your muscles with the nourishment they need to keep your legs strong and active. There are 3 key nutrients for proper leg function: protein, vitamins, and minerals. Without them, even the simplest activities become difficult as weak bones and muscles compromise movement. To make sure your workouts pay off, and to support a healthy and vigorous lifestyle, it's essential to include these powerful foods in your diet. Now, are you ready to discover the 3 foods that can truly revolutionize your life? But before we continue, if you want more advice on health and longevity, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. The first food is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are extremely nutritious and offer numerous health benefits, especially as we age. They are an excellent source of magnesium, an essential mineral for proper muscle function. Magnesium helps relax muscles and prevent cramps, a common problem in older adults, thus contributing to flexibility and reducing tension in the legs and joints. In addition, they provide high-quality plant-based protein, essential for muscle regeneration and maintaining strength, and are rich in calcium, which helps maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and joint problems such as arthritis. Pumpkin seeds also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that counteracts free radicals, preventing cell damage and premature aging, as well as having anti-inflammatory properties useful for those suffering from joint pain or inflammation in the legs, common among the elderly. A further advantage is their zinc content, an essential mineral for the immune system and cell regeneration, which helps maintain the health of endothelial cells, ensuring efficient blood circulation, essential for the well-being of the legs. These nutrients combined contribute to maintaining muscle mass and supporting daily mobility, key elements to continue living independently as we age. Pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed in many ways: raw or toasted, added to salads, smoothies, yogurt, or used as an ingredient in bread and cake recipes. As they are particularly high in calories, it is important to consume them in moderation, ideally 1 or 2 tablespoons per day. They are also an excellent choice as a snack between meals, as they help control appetite and provide essential nutrients to the body. And you, do you eat pumpkin seeds? Leave a comment below. The second food on our list is spinach. Despite their small green leaves, spinach has amazing properties for leg health. Including a small amount of spinach in your daily diet can become a valuable ally in preventing leg problems. This vegetable offers numerous benefits that help keep them strong and active. Among the various nutrients contained in spinach, iron stands out for its importance. It is essential in the formation of red blood cells, responsible for transporting oxygen to muscles and organs, particularly those in the legs. This helps keep legs energized, preventing tiredness and fatigue. In fact, iron deficiency can weaken the body and impair mobility, negatively impacting quality of life. In addition to iron, spinach is rich in nutrient found in spinach is magnesium, Finally, spinach is an excellent source of vitamin bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, an amount sufficient to provide the body with essential nutrient, a fundamental mineral for bone health. Take full advantage of its nutritional properties, especially as we age. Of muscle mass, essential for supporting body weight, contributing to overall health, including that motor function. Crucial, not only helps keep legs flexible, but also reduces the risk of cramps and aches, common problems with aging. Involved in over 300 biological processes, magnesium helps maintain high vitality and strengthen the neurological and cardiovascular systems. With about 70 millimoles per 100 grams, spinach offers a significant amount of this mineral, which is essential for muscle health over time. Finally, spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, essential for preserving bone density and preventing the progressive breakdown of bones, a crucial aspect of maintaining leg strength as we age. By regularly consuming spinach, you not only nourish your muscles, but you also take care of your bones, promoting greater independence and mobility as you age. In fact, a diet rich in spinach can play a vital role in strengthening bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis and joint problems. Considering that bone density decreases with age, the vitamin K contained in spinach becomes a particularly valuable nutrient for maintaining healthy bones. Integrating this vegetable into your diet is an effective way to preserve bone integrity and prevent joint deterioration. To take full advantage of the benefits of spinach, a daily intake of about 100 grams is recommended, an amount sufficient to provide the body with essential nutrients such as iron, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, without overloading the digestive system. Spinach is a versatile food that is easy to include in your diet. It can be eaten in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish in a variety of recipes. However, it should be remembered that although extremely nutritious, they also contain oxalic acid, a substance that can interfere with the absorption of calcium, a fundamental mineral for bone health. To get the most out of nutrients and minimize the effects of oxalic acid, a little-known trick is to cook or brown spinach before eating it. This process reduces the oxalic acid content, allowing the body to optimally assimilate all the nutrients present in this vegetable, making it even more beneficial. So, by regularly including spinach in your diet, especially if cooked or sautéed, you can take full advantage of its nutritional properties, promoting bone health and muscle strengthening as you age. To maximize nutrient absorption, it is advisable to prepare spinach properly, cooking or sautéing it before adding it to your dishes. This simple trick helps the body make the most of the nutritional benefits of this versatile vegetable. Another simple but extremely beneficial food is eggs, a true source of well-being, especially as we age. Not only are eggs a quick fix for a quick meal, but they are also a superfood that can keep legs strong, improve circulation, and promote overall vitality. They are in fact an excellent source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot synthesize on its own. This aspect is crucial for leg health, especially for the elderly, as protein is essential for the growth and maintenance of muscle mass, essential for supporting body weight and ensuring daily mobility. In addition, eggs are rich in vitamin D, a key nutrient for calcium absorption, essential for the formation and maintenance of bone density. With age, the risk of vitamin D deficiency increases, making bones more fragile. Therefore, regular consumption of eggs can help to counteract this problem, promoting stronger bones and contributing to overall health, including that of the legs and joints. The high presence of vitamin D in eggs is therefore essential to strengthen the legs and increase bone density, keeping bones strong. In addition to this, eggs also offer a good dose of choline, an essential nutrient for the health of neurons, which promotes communication between the nervous system and muscles, helping to maintain flexibility and motor function. Crucial elements for mobility with advancing age. A further advantage of eggs is their high bioavailability. The body easily absorbs the proteins and other nutrients they contain, making them one of the ideal foods for preserving muscle and bone health. There are numerous ways to include them in your daily diet, whether it's boiled, scrambled, or fried eggs with vegetables. This versatility not only helps keep legs flexible, but also provides a rich source of vitamins and essential minerals. An important detail is that the absorption of flexibility and strength in the legs over time health is salmon. This fish is a comfort when walking, climbing stairs to maintain leg power and promotes faster recovery on leg health. Integrating amazing taste make it an excellent choice for the effects. You can include other meals rich in nutrients, integrates easily and delicious, which not only enhance the absorption of omega-3 flexibility and strength in the legs over time. Many people do not know that integrating eggs into a balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients, can help prevent the deterioration of the legs over the years. In fact, foods such as nuts, fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in calcium and vitamin D should be an integral part of the daily diet to support leg health with advancing age. Another superfood that can work wonders for leg health is salmon. This fish is a real powerhouse of benefits thanks to its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for joint health and reducing inflammation in the body. Scientific studies have shown that the omega-3s present in salmon can reduce inflammation by up to 40%, especially in cases of arthritis, thus offering pain relief and greater joint flexibility. This translates into greater comfort when walking, climbing stairs, or even dancing, offering a significant advantage for many seniors. In addition, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle regeneration and repair. With age, the ability of muscles to recover decreases, negatively affecting both the strength and flexibility of the legs. Thanks to its protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps maintain leg power and promotes faster recovery after physical activity. A 100-gram serving of salmon provides about 20 grams of protein, enough to support muscle health. In addition, salmon is recognized as one of the best sources of vitamin D, an essential nutrient for bone health and optimal muscle function. Vitamin D deficiency, in fact, can weaken bones and reduce muscle mass, with negative consequences on leg health. Integrating salmon into the diet can help prevent bone diseases such as osteoporosis, maintaining healthy bone density, and helping to preserve strength and mobility with age. In addition to its delicious flavor, salmon is extremely versatile and can be prepared in many ways. Add it to spaghetti, use it in a fresh salad, or grill it on the barbecue. Its ease of preparation and amazing taste make it an excellent choice for a variety of meals. For those who do not like fish, there are plant-based alternatives rich in omega-3, such as flax seeds, walnuts, or chia seeds. However, salmon remains the best option as it contains omega-3 in a form that is easily absorbed by the body. Experts recommend consuming it 2 to 3 times a week to get the maximum health benefits and keep your legs in shape. To maximize the effects, you can include other meals rich in fatty acids, or, if salmon is not a regular part of your diet, opt for fish oil supplements. A further tip to enhance the absorption of nutrients from salmon is to combine it with olive oil or black pepper. Olive oil promotes the absorption of omega-3s and other essential nutrients, while black pepper speeds up metabolism and improves vitamin D assimilation. This combination of foods and nutrients integrates easily and deliciously into your menu, offering benefits not only for your legs, but for the overall health of your body. Integrating foods rich in omega-3 or taking fish oil supplements is a great way to optimize leg health, especially if salmon is not a regular choice in your diet. An effective tip is to consume salmon at least once a week, accompanied by olive oil or black pepper, which not only enhance the absorption of omega-3s, but also promote the assimilation of vitamin D. Now that you know these three superfoods, you know how to protect and keep your legs strong and healthy as you age. Leave a comment below telling us which of these foods you prefer, and watch the video that appears to find out what a cardiologist recommends to prevent heart attacks and other diseases.